What's up, guys? Welcome to today's problem of the day, brought to you by Kellogg's Raisin Bran cereal. Raisin Bran cereal, the sunniest cereal under the sun.
Who can count all the raisins in Kellogg's Raisin Bran?
I can.
We take juicy ripe grapes from under the sun, turn them to raisins one by one. Those plump, juicy raisins
You missed me. Me too.
are frosted with sugar and mixed with bran flakes. Kellogg's Raisin Bran, the raisiniest bran under the sun.
There's only one of me.
Kellogg's puts more in your morning.
More raisins.
All right, guys. Let's take a look at today's problem. The sun counted the raisins in 8 boxes of Raisin Bran cereal. If there were 14 raisins in each box, how many raisins did the sun count, guys? So go ahead and pause the video here to solve the problem. You might want to use a multiplication strategy to make this easier, just as a hint. And once you finish solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button to continue the video, and then I can go over the answer for you. All right, welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and go over today's problem of the day. Let's finish this week strong. So we have a problem here where the sun counted raisins in 8 boxes of Raisin Bran cereal. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my multiplication sentence with 8 boxes times he counted 14 raisins in each box. So I'm going to go back and add to my multiplication sentence. It's not just 8, but 8 times 14 equals, and I'm going to put in here because in stands for some number. We don't know what number that is. We have to solve the problem to figure that out. All right, guys, the next step, I'm going to go ahead and do this 14. I don't like multiplying by 14s because that's kind of a big, awkward number. So what I'm going to do instead is think about what factors I can split 14 into to make this problem easier for me. All right. So instead of doing 8 times 14, I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 8 times 7. So I'm using kind of the distributive property, but I guess it would also be considered doubling. So I'm going to be using 8 times 7 plus 8 times 7. Now the good news here, guys, is I only have to multiply 8 times 7 once. Because if 8 times 7 is 56, that means it's going to be 56 for the other one there. So what I mean by that, so I write out my multiplication sentences here. I have some distributive property going on. 8 times 7, guys, I know 8 times 7 is 56. If you don't know 8 times 7, you can go ahead and use repeated addition, or you can even break this apart further. But I'm going to go ahead and just assume that most of us can do that one in our heads. If 8 times 7 was 56 here, that means 8 times 7 right here is going to be 56 as well. So I really only need to multiply that once. All right. And now I'm left with 56 plus 56. So I'm looking pretty good here so far. Let's finish this bad boy up. So I'm going to add 56 and 56. 6 plus 6, guys. 6 plus 6 is 12. So I'm going to put a 2 in my ones column, carry over one set of 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. So now I've arrived at my solution here. How many raisins did the sun count in the Raisin Bran cereal? 112 raisins. That's a lot of raisins to be counting, guys. So I'm sure the sun appreciates you for helping him solve his problem. Guys, thanks for tuning in for today's problem of the day. Tune in Monday for another one. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.